Well, we also have Uma Sudhir joining us. Uma, patients from Andhra Pradesh being stopped at the Telangana-Andhra Pradesh border.
Yes, indeed. These were two states that was one till 2014. And yes, the border of Telangana and Andhra Pradesh, the ambulances that are coming in from Andhra Pradesh towards Telangana, many of them tend to come to Hyderabad because this is considered as a major medical hub. And with the numbers increasing in Andhra Pradesh, many people tend to come to Hyderabad. And what's happening there is that the ambulances there are being stopped and told that unless you have a registration and a booking at any hospital here in Hyderabad or anywhere else in Telangana, then you can be let through. Otherwise, no entrance will be allowed. This is happening also because Telangana's own cases are rising, and just a few days ago, just last week, in fact, the Chief Secretary had pointed out that huge number of patients in the Hyderabad hospitals are in fact people belonging to other states. This could be from Chhattisgarh, from Maharashtra, from Karnataka. Many of those areas are coming into Telangana for treatment, and Andhra Pradesh also coming into treatment. And now with the pressure on the beds increasing, oxygen increasing, and the ICU beds also increasing, this measure by the Telangana government, something that perhaps all state governments would first have their duty towards their own citizens, and that is the light in which this is being seen. Though Andhra Pradesh is at another level arguing that when 2014 bifurcation happened, Hyderabad was to be the capital of the other state of divided state of Andhra Pradesh also for 10 years. So till to 2024, they should have a right to come to Hyderabad as well. And even otherwise, when it is medical emergency and lives are involved, they say state borders should not be in place. And also the fact that there is actually no official order of vehicles or interstate transport being stopped between these two states. These are the only two states that have actually not gone for a full lockdown in southern India, if you were to consider. Andhra Pradesh is a partial lockdown between 12 noon and 6 a.m. And the essential services are only between 6 a.m. and 12 noon, whereas Telangana doesn't have a lockdown at all, and it is a lockdown, only a curfew, night curfew between 9 p.m. and 6 a.m. Today, of course, the cabinet of Telangana is going to be meeting, and they will be taking a decision on whether or not a lockdown should happen, and that will also determine whether interstate transport should be allowed between the states with Maharashtra or with Andhra Pradesh. With both of these states, Telangana does happen to have big borders, and repeatedly the ministers here have been talking about a huge number of migrants coming in and a huge number of patients coming in, which had added to the numbers in Telangana and the spread of the COVID also, they had said. Back to you.